This 57-year-old female sustained a fracture to her left femur. She has already undergone total hip replacement many years ago and unfortunately had a previous femur fracture which was treated elsewhere with a plate. She sustained another fracture right at the tip of her previous plate. So, how do we fix this? Typically, we would consider using a plate on the side of the bone. However, there's already a plate there, so we do not have room for this unless we remove the previous plate. An intramedullary rod could be used. However, a standard rod is very long and there's already a hip replacement at the top of the bone. We could use a shorter rod which is specifically made for difficult situations like this. That's what we decide to do. We make an incision on the side of the thigh. We elevate the vastus lateralis muscle which exposes the bone. Now under direct visualization, we can remove the screws from the plate. The next part of the surgery is placing the intramedullary rod. We use a series of guide wires and drills to prepare the inside of the bone. We then insert our intramedullary nail. Once we are happy with the position, we place screws in the bottom part of the nail as well as the top part of the nail, holding the bone in place. To reinforce this, we place cables around the fracture and around the plate. We also place 2 screws which go through the plate into the bone, providing us with overlapping fixation. Here you can see the side view, and here are the final x-rays. Hopefully this will go on to heal over the coming weeks.